Hello, it's Jim from Tech Goes back to the Jabra Elite 4 Active and been testing these out for a while. And recently we've tested out the 3s, the 7 Pros and the 7s, and these are kind of somewhere in between. However, I find these actually quite good and actually up nearer their high-end earbuds and much better than the Elite or the 3s. And really excellent sound, which I was quite impressed by compared to the price difference. The other ones are about 70 or 80 quid. And these are going to run you about 120 depending on where you are, so do check out your regions. Of course, prices will be different, but the sound quality from these is actually quite good, and as I said, it's up with the higher end earbuds. And if that's what you want to save a few quid, I suggest you might look at these over the others, but again, everyone is different, and that's why Jabra have everywhere covered now. They've got 4 or 5 pairs of earbuds across their new portfolio of earbuds, which is great. So it gives someone that has specific needs a different price point to pick from, and of course a different feature set, which is really cool. So first of all, we're going to have a look at the app again, as usual, which I always do. It's a really nice clean app. You've got your presets here, your neutral, speech, treble boost, energize and smooth. You can edit your widgets. You can simply just drag this bar to here if you want to change around. You can switch around between your hear through and your active noise cancel and turn it off on the left earbud, which is nice and simple, and they're clicky buttons, as you would have seen in the unboxing, which we went through these and the rest of their earbuds as well. So overall, excellent. You can also use these individually, which is a feature a lot of people do like. So you can put one in the box and use the other one, so you get double the time if you like, and walk away like that, which is nice. So it works on both left and right earbuds, so that's really cool. So overall, with the features, you're going to get your ANC. You've IP57 rated. You've got your hear through, 4 microphone for calls. Calls are excellent as well. And you've got up to 7 hours and 28 with the charging case. Now that will vary depending on what you use and your volume, with your bass boost and high and all that kind of stuff. So I'll be getting a little bit less. I like, as everyone knows, to have my music up to the full max, which is not good for the ears, but however, that's just the way I use it. But my ears are fine, and that's really about it. And of course, you've got your built-in Alexa, Spotify and your Google Fast Pair as well. So overall, really nice. So when it comes to controls, again, it's pretty simple. We're going to swiftly move over to some music here for a sample and press play. So you have a play and pause is a simple tap. To change the volume, it's a long press. So we're going to actually turn that down because it's up to the max there. So you just press and hold there like so, like that, and you can see it's going down just by holding it in. If you want to hurry it up, again, same thing there. Of course, you can skip and reverse tracks, double and triple tap. Triple tap reverse, double tap skips. Can't go wrong. Pretty simple. It's a nice simple experience to use there, and that's basically how it's going to work. It's really nice and easy to use, and they're really a cool pair of earbuds overall for the price, I have to say. So sound is excellent, and it's up on par with the higher end, I find. And so the other ones are going to run you around 200 quid and so on. These are down to about 120, 130 at the time of this review, and they sound a lot better too than their cheaper pair, which is the 3. So they've got kind of the entry, mid-tier and high-end level covered here. And if I was you and you're on a budget, I would skip the 3s and go with these, because you're getting a much better sound profile from my testing anyway, and they look really nice as well. You've got your IP57 proof as well there, which is important. And overall, they do everything, you know. Nice and comfortable to wear in the ears as well. Again, something I always stress, find the right tips, because people will be complaining, saying the tips don't fit and that. There's a couple of pairs of tips in each box, and it's also a thing that people just probably don't bother. Now, most of the time, the earbuds or the tips that come on them do fit me. Sometimes I do have to change them around, because it gives you a better seal. It'll give you an overall performance value as well. And overall, it'll give you a better experience, and you'll get to hear the earbuds properly and not have noise leaking in and out. So the ANC is quite good in these as well, and so is the hear through. And the hear through is probably an important feature to mention now with the stuff that's been going on. You know, people are out walking afraid to do all this stuff on their own, but you have to hear through on it. You can turn it on, you can hear your surroundings. So that's an important point to make out, particularly after the recent events here in Ireland. Something that I just feel people need to take note of, because a lot of earbuds do come here through, which will allow you to have your earbuds on and listen to music, and also you can listen to your surroundings as well. So you've got that there. Of course, you've got your ANC, you want to block out the noise at home, wherever the case may be, and that's really about it. So overall, excellent sound. You do have a 6mm speaker in these as well, and it's a really good sound profile. Of course, you've got the Sound Plus app, which I always talk about, and it's really, really good. And of course, it's customizable as well, which is important. And that's really about it. So that's it for the Jabra Elite 4 Active. Again, you can see all the stuff there. You can go into your settings there and go through all this other stuff in here, which you should do. You have your voice assistant, personalise your headset settings, firmware. We got a firmware update, we put them on, as we always do, kind of with new earbuds from Jabra. And you can register them. You have your online manual there as well, and your quick start guide if you get stuck. But that's basically it. It's a simple pair of earbuds to use, and they look really clean and nice as well. And of course, the colour of these as well, they're easy to maintain and keep clean. No wireless charging, but it's not a big deal. It's fine. And the case, as you would have seen in the previous video, it's an average size case from Jabra and a typical style, and that's about it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and we'll talk to you then. And stay tuned for more hands-on tech reviews on techbuzzorn.com. And do check these out. I really like these. I'm really, really impressed with these, particularly for their price point and what you're getting for your money as well. And I think these are probably going to be a big hit. Again, if you want to spend a bit more, you get better, but these are kind of sinking in between, and I really think you should check these out. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.